Whoever desires to come after me, let him deny himself, take up his cross, and follow after me. I looked up the Oxford Dictionary to find out the literal meaning of the word self-denial. It means not allowing yourself to have things that you want. That's right. That's all it is. Denying yourself to have the things that you want. You know why? Because most of those things are not good for you. And I'm not just talking about food, by the way. Everyone in the world works opposite, see? We're talking about the upside down gospel. Well, that is exactly what the Lord Jesus Christ is saying to you and me today. He says, if you want to live a fulfilled life, an abundant life, John 10:10, then you must die to self. So it's in dying to self that we live for God.